Do you have your driver's license with you, my man? Passport? Okay. Have you ever been issued an Illinois driver's license?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I'll just take your name then. Do you have insurance for the vehicle? You are under arrest. Unlock the vehicle.
Step out of the car. I'm breaking the window.
You're going to break the window?
Yes,
yes.
you don't step out of the vehicle.
You are under arrest. You're obstructing. You are in custody. Step out of the vehicle.
When officers pulled over a driver for a routine traffic violation, they expected a standard interaction. Instead, they encountered a man who insisted on hiding behind heavily tinted glass, testing the limits of police authority. Watch what happens when his refusal to roll down his window or step out of the car escalates a simple warning into a shattered window and an arrest.
Illinois temp tag.
Go ahead.
Illinois temp 883 826 883. Hey, what's going on, boss? So the reason for the stop is there's no license plate, and then when I walk up, I see the temp tag. So that's the reason why the back window is tinted. So that's the reason I'm not able to visibly see the temp tag. Okay, that's the reason for the stop. Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you, my man? Passport? Okay. Have you ever been issued an Illinois driver's license?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I'll just take your name then. Do you have insurance for the vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the insurance currently?
On my phone.
On your phone? Can you pull it up for me, my man? What is your first name, my man? Michael? And then, can you pull it up just because I can't see through the tint, my man?
The traffic stop began on May 2, 2026, after officers spotted a vehicle driving with an obstructed temporary tag and failing to signal. But as soon as the officer approached, the driver's defensive attitude immediately raised red flags. The driver insisted his rights were being violated, arguing traffic laws based on his own legal theories. Seeing that the driver was uncooperative and refusing to roll the window down far enough for safety, the officer's patience began to run thin.
Okay, the insurance is good, my man. And then do you have a middle initial? And then how old are you?
34.
You're 34?
It should be able to pop up in the system.
Okay, no, I mean, I'm asking you how old you are. Why did it take you so long to answer how old you are, my man?
I'm wondering, is it an emergency?
What emergency for what?
Because you pulled me over because you said you couldn't see my tag.
Yeah, well, why are you so nervous right now, my man?
I'm not nervous. I just want to understand what's going on.
Do you have anything in the car that I should be worried about?
Can I get a white shirt, please?
A white shirt? Yeah, no, my man, that's not going to happen. Okay, well, my man, I'm trying to ask you how old you are. You're taking forever to... Okay.
Okay. You can't hear me or see right here because you're talking about the tint. And I'm showing you things like you're assuming.
I'm assuming what, my man?
You're trying to create a situation. I'm just trying to get to where I'm going. You know what I'm saying? My back hurts.
Oh, your back is hurting? Okay, I got you. Where are you coming from?
Chiropractor.
The chiropractor? Okay, where at?
Right there on 95th.
95th? Okay, so I asked you, you're 34 years old. What's your date of birth, my man? Do you understand why it's weird on my end? As so, I ask you how old you are, and then you're kind of just being weird about it. Do you understand why?
I wasn't being weird. I just took a second to think about.
Because usually when I ask people how old they are, they tell me how old they are right away. You know what I'm saying?
Traffic stop for my educational law. When if I'm not in violation, you seen the tag.
342-32.
I'm sorry?
I said for my law understanding, you said you pulled me over because you couldn't see the tag. You seen the tags, they were valid, they usually let you know.
No. So that's still an improper display of the tag. That's the reason for the stop. Okay? That's the reason for the traffic stop. When you have a license plate or a temp tag, for instance, it's supposed to be displayed on the back of the vehicle, how a regular license plate would be. Okay? Do you understand? Do you understand where I'm coming from now? I'm not trying to hassle you or anything like that, but you're being weird about it. It's a traffic stop.
I hesitated. I just told you why I hesitated.
Okay.
Usually when someone says I couldn't see it, I let you go.
Okay. Do you mind if I see your passport real quick? Okay. Give me 1 second. Do you have any firearms inside the vehicle?
No, sir.
Okay. Any drugs or any marijuana inside the car?
No, sir.
Okay. Just give me 1 second, okay? Can you roll down just a little bit more, my man? Just because I can't see inside the car. That's the reason why. Can you roll it down?
The driver tried to stall by demanding a supervisor, referred to as a white shirt, and claiming a family connection to law enforcement. But police don't negotiate unlawful orders on a traffic stop. After giving him one final warning, the officers took decisive action.
I can hear you from right here.
All right, well, here's what's going to happen. I can't find you right now, so I'm going to have you hop out for me real quick, okay? So I asked you to roll the window down. No, it's not going to happen, my man. Unlock the door for me.
I'm doing a white. Can you call a white shirt?
No, it's not going to happen. It's not.
Roll one more unit.
Unlock it.
You're not going against my rights. I know my rights.
No, when I'm asking you to step out of the car.
I'll talk to you. He's giving you a lawful order to step out of the car, okay?
Because I asked you to roll the window down, and you didn't roll it down all the way.
I rolled it down right
Okay,
here.
roll the window down. Okay.
So still, I'm going to have you hop out of the vehicle.
Well, I just did what he asked.
Okay. Now
just unlock
step out of the car.
You're not under arrest.
You're not under arrest. We're just having. Okay, if you don't step out.
Can I get a white shirt?
No. This
No,
is not
if you want to after the stop, sure. But
I need a white
Okay.
shirt.
no, you don't need a white shirt.
My brother.
Step out of the car, or you're gonna be placed under arrest
For what?
for obstructing. I'm asking you to step out of the car.
If you don't step out of the vehicle, you're going to be placed under
Okay,
arrest.
I'm not asking you anymore. Step out of the car. I'm giving you a lawful
I'm not
order.
getting my rights violated.
Your rights aren't being violated.
All I'm
You are
asking you to do is
obstructing.
unlock the door. That's it.
Yes,
You have to step
I'm
out of the.
being
Okay,
arrested. What is
Pennsylvania versus Mims. It's
I don't have to
established by the
What's
Supreme
reason?
Court.
I
You
gave
have to
my
step out of the
information.
vehicle.
What am I stepping out of the vehicle for? I don't
Because
feel
I
like
asked you.
that.
Now
I
I'm
asked for a white
asking you.
shirt twice.
Okay, hold on. Let me
Asked both
explain.
of y'all.
Because you
You
asked me for an
roll it down,
explanation.
and I rolled it to right here. You said roll it down
Okay.
some more.
Okay.
What am I keep rolling it down for? It's halfway down.
Okay, because I can't see inside the car. I can't see where your left hand is at.
My left hand is right here on the
Okay,
window.
I asked you to roll it down. You didn't want to roll it down. Now you're going to step out of the vehicle. Okay, so just unlock the door. All you got to do is step out.
Okay, step out of the car. You're gonna be
Now
placed under arrest.
You're going to be under arrest.
Arrest for what?
Obstructing. 'Cause You're not stepping out of the
Obstructing.
vehicle.
There's
I've given
no
you
reason
a
for
lawful
search.
order to step
There's
out of
no
the car.
reason.
We're not searching the car. We're having you step out of the car.
What am I getting searched for?
I'm having you step out of the vehicle. Do you understand
Why
that?
am I
We'll
stepping
wait
out
for the
of the
third car to
vehicle?
get.
I asked for a
All
white
right,
shirt.
step
Why am I
out.
stepping out of
Okay, get out of the car.
No, I'm not getting out the car.
Okay.
I know my rights. What am I
We're
stepping
going to
out
wait
of
for
the
one.
vehicle?
The other
Okay.
car. I'm giving you one last chance. When the third car gets here,
I just left my car right. I just got a spinal cut. I'm not stepping out. My brother's a chief of police. My brother's a police officer. I'm not stepping out of the vehicle for what? I gave you my information. You saying you gonna make me start the vehicle because I didn't roll it my window all the way down?
yes, when I asked you to step
I
out of the
rolled it
vehicle.
halfway
No.
down.
I asked you to roll it down. Yeah, he is. I'm waiting for the third car to get here. Then I'm going to let him know. And if not,
I need a white shirt.
Section 321, I'm pulling up on the stop and then.
that's not how this works, okay? No. That's not how this works.
You asked me for
Okay.
firearms and drugs. I don't have none of. I gave you no impression.
Sir, I'm going to give you one last chance. Step out of the
I need a
car.
white shirt.
Okay, you are under arrest if you don't step out of the car.
How?
Okay, now you are under
I've
arrest.
given you a lawful
You are
order.
under
Step
arrest.
out of the car.
Step out of the vehicle.
under arrest
Step
for
out of the
what?
vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. You are under arrest. You are under arrest.
For what?
Step out of the vehicle.
Obstruction.
How am I obstructed? I'm asking you for a white shirt.
Step
You're not
out of the
giving me a
vehicle.
white
You are under arrest.
shirt. I'm asking for a white shirt.
Okay, well, you can talk to one at the station. You are under arrest.
You are under
Step
arrest.
out.
Unlock the vehicle.
What am I?
Step out of the car. I'm breaking the window.
You're gonna break the window.
Yes, if you don't step out of the vehicle,
you are
you are
under
under arrest.
arrest. You are obstructing. You are in custody. Step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle.
Clear and valid with
Step out
By
of the
turning a
car.
minor, fixable window tint and tag violation into an ideological standoff,
Bro, I'm getting out.
this
I'm getting out.
driver
I'm getting out.
completely ruined his own
I'm
afternoon.
getting out. I'm getting out.
He was hauled off to jail and officially charged with obstruction of justice, improper display of registration, and failure to signal.
We gave you
Was the
lawful
officer
orders.
completely justified in smashing the window for officer safety? Or did they pull the trigger too quickly? Let me know your stance in the comments section below,
Okay, well, I
and
gave
hit
you
that subscribe
multiple-
button to catch our next breakdown.
Yeah.
I asked for a white shirt. I rolled everything. My
Okay,
passport's on the
well, now you
ground.
can talk to one at the station.
Can y'all get my things? How you just break my window? What is going on?
Section 321.
What is going on?
Do you have any knives, needles, or anything?
There's
My
one custody over
shirt
here.
is on my left
Yeah, what?
I contract this life. I'm a contractor.
Okay, do you have anything that's going to harm, stab, or poke
Just
pain?
for the, yeah, I'll just wait for it now.
Contracting life in my left pocket.
Left pocket?
I'm a contractor.
Here, face car for me. Spread your feet.
You just broke my window.
Yeah. You can step out of the car.
Central 232, 1 by
Step back for me.
date of birth.
I'll buckle you, yeah, alright.
You said what happened?
I'm going to buckle you and stop for me.
So I'm getting under arrest for what?
Lincoln,
Obstruction. I've told you 3 times.
KT. Middle initial